points were that they needed some more direction from the task force and able to design a more effective scoring mechanism, which I think perhaps is instructive to the task force in that there's sort of a chicken and the egg situation with the Department of Revenue. I think we've talked about this before, that they're used to having a real fleshed out idea and then doing pricing of that idea versus what we've kind of asked them to do, which is to help us design kind of the idea. And with this one, it seems like they're having some real struggles with that. So we can get into that in more detail, but otherwise, just looking forward to the day. Should be good. So thank you.
Thank you, Dennis.
Well, I was going to say on the message from revenue, some of the questions they had really went to the grant or credit, tax credit.
Yeah.
Sort of what the extent of that was. I don't know if that was ever discussed or not, but that's one of the big questions. Sort of what are we looking for in terms of a total and time period?
Yeah.
And kind of what is the outcome that the task force is looking for in terms of who would you want the credit to accrue to, or the benefit of the credit to accrue to, and does this achieve the outcome that
Which
you
credit?
Want? It was the one where we had the examples from Mississippi, Wisconsin, and Idaho. It was the incentive to broadband providers to build into unserved areas.
Okay.
Each one of those examples has sort of a different strategy. I mean, they're each tax credits, or they're 2 tax credits and a matching grant, but they all sort of aim to do different things in the way that the mechanics work. And I think the Revenue Department would need more direction from the task force about A, which model is the one you want to try to emulate, B, who do you really want this to accrue to, and C, some other technical questions about how much money would you want it to be, would you want it to be one time, would you want it to be ongoing, and then they can provide some more context around that, but they need some more direction. So we can get into that in detail when we get to that piece. I don't want to hold you up, Madam Chair. So.
All right, thank you. All right, shall we begin? Okay. Yeah, I think it's just,